Mommy, wala sa Bible drill. Uy, the first time.
Kisa pa, first yung Bible drill.
Bible drill niyo.
Bible drill.
Yes.
Drill.
Nagmarta si Jurilaw.
Loto pa, loto.
So, okay na ni. So, ato ang i-divide ang ato ang into 4 or 3. Unsa man? 4. So, ngari, group 1, group 2, group 3, yeah, group 4. Ang group 4, gikan kang Ellen Rabago sa likod. Group 4. Okay? So, ang mechanics ang mga kaigsunan, simple ra kayo niya ang mechanics, no? Kanang, ang title dahil ng Bible drill, ko ano siya, tigmo, agohoy, mata mag-asoy. So, kaya next na mo, isa? Mo na siya.
Uban, wa.
Tigmo, ete.
You do it. You do it. You laugh on it.
So, apan sa dili pa din mga kaigsunan, no, I will take this chance, no, to say, to share sa inyohan, no, about sa kining gidiscuss ganihan ni Ma'am Rospi. So, usap ko sa evidence. No nga, mindset for in my 49 years of existence, nasukod na kong kuro. Kuan, naarag ko, ako ang mindset is to, ang goal is to look smart ra gyud. Wala ko man. Pero karon, ni-grow na ko. So, ang akong goal karon is to learn. Wala siya. No? So, kamong mga mama diha, nga pareha na ako, dili pa ulahin, no? Dili pa ulahin. Ang iPropod, maupod sila, usapod, nakatabang na ko nga, magtindog-tindog lang ko diri sa tubangan. Pero inaya lang ko ninyo ha, kay mabackslide na ko, aning maganda yun na ko, taas kayo nilatan. No? Sige. Support ang mga kaigsunan. So, trial. Wala, sa makauna lang. So, kung maka-answer, 10 points. Kung mga yung hint, 5 na lang. Okay? Hindi, answer na yun. So, trial. So, money siya. So, namina ang tanano?
No, please.
It can be carried, but not touched. It has 2 on the outside and 10 on the inside. Everyone wants to catch a sight of this, but it's kept out of sight. It was lost and found, then found, but now it's lost. What am I?
Back of the cabinet.
Okay.
Wow!
So, on the trial. So, pwede po na dili ninyo kumanon ako mo rido kung nanamoy hit o kuan ka na. Kausa na pwede mo tagaan. So, kung nanamoy hit o bunsa, pwede na kayo mo answer. So, tabang ko dire. So, dili necessary nga akong umanon ang riddle. Answer na, sabi na mo hint, pero kaisa na, pero di mo matuwa, mo ka-answer. Kata na nato sa next group. I was known for my diverse skill as both a warrior and writer.
David! Wow!
Wow! Great ka!
So, group 1. 10.
10. Group 1, 10.
Next. Oh, 10 points. So, next. It was a gift to the one, but poison to the others. It was a favored sign, but also a hated symbol. Some say that it was not short, while others talk of two that were too far too long. Answer mo? It was stolen and then torn. Oh, sige. Adile.
Answer sila. Answer sila.
Ang chance na lang sa 4 and 1.
Iwason, iwason.
Iwason. So good?
Balik, balik. Gawa kami, gawa kami.
Oh, sige. It was a gift to the one, but poison to the others. It was a favored sign, but also a hated symbol. Some say that it was not short, while others talk of two that were far too long. It was stolen and then torn and became something to mourn. What am I? So, unsa man 10 seconds lang. Ha? Hit? Unsa? Hit?
Hint, hint, hint. Hint kami.
Ha? Hit?
5 points lang.
Anak niya siya ni Jacob. Ha? Dili. What am I? What am I? So, di man siya tao. Dili. Correct. Joseph Cole. So, points.
Low.
Group 2.
Low, low.
20. Ay, okay. 5 na lang ya ito kay nangayon ang mulihin. So, kini. So, ready? A giant I was. Last of the Rephites, sleeping on iron, ruler of the Amorites. Who am I? Goliath. Goliath. No. A giant was I, last of the Rephites, sleeping on iron, ruler of the Amorites. Who Who am I? So, ang mga imuhin, makita niyo siya sa Deuteronomy 3:11.
Deuteronomy 3:11. Basan?
Ha?
Bashan.
Basan?
Who am I?
Amon.
Amon. Ay! Ang four na lang yung chance. Group 4. Deuteronomy 11.
Time.
Kung question niya, answer yung wag niya plano.
Sige, still. Sige, nag-answer din yung group 1. King of Bashan. Five na day. So, sa ako dili mga kung ano, kung unsa ni si Og. So, to know who Og is, we first need to know this kingdom, along with the Amorite kingdom, acted as gateway into the promised land. Katubit ang mga Israelites nga padulong na sila sa promised land na ay nagharag, wa sila kasulod dayon kay tungod doon ay mga giant dito nakatang. Mo ni siya usa sa king, duha ni sila ka king. So ang usa ni si King Og. Or 15-5. 2-5 ang group 1. So, pwede pag-abol, no? Next. I am more than a double triangle. I intertwine both the external and internal dimension of... No. So, Osborne. I am more than a double triangle. I intertwine both the external and internal dimensions of God, Israel, and the Torah. What am I? Group 4.
No. I have a spinal cord.
Star of David.
Correct. So, Star of David. The Star of David has come to be a symbol of the nation and identity of the Jewish people. However, there are a number of symbolic interpretations of this six-pointed Star of David. The two overlapping triangles represent the the relationship between man and God. So, na siya. The Star of David. So, ang group 1 is 15, group 2, 15. 3 and 4. Ganito sa sayon-sayon. Sige, sayon na kayo ni. I was taken by the river, raised in the
Moses!
Ate Susan na nauna. Una Moses dire.
Wait, una siya ito Moses, lupat ka?
Tay ko no tay.
Para sa score.
So next. From my shoulders
Kaya ka na yun. Up here. Handshake. How are you feeling?
Masabi, magsilot sa tayo, nasa tayo intermission song. Yan na magsilot tayo, intermission song, before ta mag-song break.